I don't know. I found this rotisserie in the basement and I don't know if it worked, but continue watching and we will see in the end if it really worked. Yes, I promise you, in the end we will see if it really worked. So now we start. Today I was down in the basement and found the old rotisserie for the charcoal. So I'm gonna use that, and I find a nice pork tenderloin that I'm gonna use today. We call it fläskytterfilet in Sweden, but in English is pork tenderloin. So we try to fix that and we see where we come. First of all, I'm gonna fix this one. I use my love non-stick spray like this, so nothing gets stuck on it. So and here is the ring I'm gonna put on the charcoal master touch. We start with some grill oil first. Is Santa Maria grill oil, original for Sweden. I don't know if it's also abroad they have Santa Maria grill oil like this. Okay, and of course I use Sigurd's barbecue again because they are so good, and that is run to the grill with Sigurd's barbecue. I'm gonna send the link over to you later. So now we turn. This is a really easy way to make it really juicy and nice. This should not have so long on the grill, but now we put this in like this. And then we do the same with this. And now we put in the meter. So we have the temp. The meters look like this because you cannot have anything with wire. So we just put this into the meat like this, and that's gonna check everything in temp, everything for us. As you can see, 20.8 already, so it's a good temp on the meat. So see you outside. Last time we did smoked chicken, as you remember here. I wonder how much left of the briquettes. So here we have. Now we take this away because we're not going to use that today. Oh, it's still smoke. Wow, it's quite more still left of the briquettes from last time. That is the third time we turn it on now, but we need it full. So what I'm gonna do is I start with new briquettes first. bottom like that. As you can see, just in the bottom. And then I put the old one on. Like this. So. But as you can see, it's not full. I need to fill in more. So, a little more. So, now we turn on this cube again. It's really windy today. So we clean this. So now we wait about 20 minutes. So see you again in 20 minutes. So now we have the fire up all the way. As you can see, so nice. So we put the gaskets in place. Like this. And then don't forget to have water so you know. And where should we put it? Exactly on a stone. Because it's so hot. So now we put this here, so, and this here, so, and we take the foil to put here in the middle. Look, so this is open, so, and now we put this on. The rotisserie. You know, we have not been used this for a long time, so perfect. And I got the engine for a Weber Q grill, but it works here also, hopefully. Put that in place like that. And of course, now it's time to put the meat on. In the hole. In here. Like that. Finish. And just connect. So, now we hope it works. I see we have a problem here. Houston, we have a problem. But we fix that. We take this and this. I put it like this instead. So, no problem anymore. So, finish. So, now we close. And hopefully it will be so nice. Oh, open up like that. And now it will work. And I can show you. If you come here and look, you're gonna see the temp on the meat is 19 degrees. And soon we're gonna have the temp on the grill also here. So now we wait to this will come up to about 68 degrees and then it will be perfect. Now it comes. Will it work or not? So we hope it will work. Oh, Just look at that. It's so nice. So now we close this one and we do like this. Take it out and put it here like that. So, and then we close this. But now we take this off first. Like that. Why? Because you cannot close the grill if that's on. So we close that as we usually do, and we close that. And now the grill is closed, and as you know, 2-3 hours, then it's closed. It was so perfect when I slice it, and it's so much juice on it, and I promise you, don't forget to subscribe if you want more of this content. And if you have anything to ask, just ask me and I will answer you on the next grill.